Go away. Go.
I expect you all to mute your mic. Like, as you see, everywhere is quiet. Mute the mic. Stop talking. Biko.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good. Hope you had a wonderful week.
Morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to class.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Everybody. Let me quickly use this opportunity to thank everyone. I sent message, call last week. When we were having class last week, it was my birthday. And after the class, some of you sent messages, some of you called.
Please,
Hello,
you
I'm
guys should
talking
mute
next.
yourself.
This one has Molemo.
I will advise you guys to start learning to behave yourself. If you start on a bad note, then you will find it difficult in your exam. It is advisable that when you come to class, mute yourself. And if you are not ready, don't join the class. So I will not say it again. Once I see you talking, I will throw you out of the class. So as I was saying, last week was my birthday. After the class, some of you called, some sent messages, and a particular department sent in gifts. And I was wondering, in no time, people are, but I appreciate it so much because I never expected it. Somebody just came and said, the class said, and I said, If I wanted to reject it, but those that were with me said, sir, don't start with these people like that have come to rejoice with you. And I said, okay. For that purpose, I thank everyone who has been part of that, and I really appreciate it. Highly appreciate it. So, we repeat what we did last week because the network was so bad and we could not get our leads. I was thrown out of the class for about 4 or 5 times. So I think we should do justice to, because that is the beginning. The moment you are missing out in that one, then there is a problem. There's going to be a problem, because there is no way you will not see what we did last week in your exam. You may be hearing. Okay, let me mute it. If I mute, this is a large class. This class is a combination of accounting, business admin, economics, finance, and also business education. So the Zoom will not accommodate everyone. Will not accommodate everyone. So I have chose to go live on YouTube. So others that are coming, when we get to 300, it should be throwing them to Zoom. Sorry, to YouTube, so they can continue. They can continue from YouTube. So that's the thing. I hope you can see what I'm sharing.
We've not seen it,
sir. Can
No,
you
sir.
see it?
No, sir.
Not
No,
yet.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, we can see your screen now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can see your screen.
And I hope you can hear me loud and clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like I said last week, I wanted to do a lot of giveaway last week, but unfortunately, we could not. In my class, When I ask question, no chorus answer. Just raise your hand. Let me recognize you. If you get the answer correctly, you get a mark. And all this mark, to you, 1 mark might not mean anything now. But when it matters, you can imagine you having 49. You know, that is 49 is what? That 49 is D. But when 1 mark is added, it takes you to 50, which is C, and it goes a long way. So by the time you have accumulated 2 marks, 3 marks during the course of the class, and see, I have my book and my pen here where I record those marks. And when it matters, I always go back to allocate those marks. So when I ask questions, just raise your hand. Let me identify you. If you get the answer correctly, then you get your mark. So once again, good morning, everybody, and let the class begin now. So from what we discussed last week, who can remind us what is accounting? Who can remind us what is accounting? Or what is your own understanding of the word accounting? Who is this one? Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Hello, sir.
I think he's on call. So let's calm down for him. Let's calm
Hello,
down.
sir. I will try, sir.
I think he's done. He's on call. When he's done, we'll just continue.
Hello.
Calm down. When he's
Calm
done,
down now.
Good morning, sir. Okay.
I muted myself because the governor of this admin was calling. She was complaining that they could not join, and I said it will take them to YouTube, that they should continue to join.
Okay, sir.
So that's
So
the
can I
thing.
try,
That's what I
sir?
was asking. Okay. Your
Good
name
morning.
Omawumi.
first.
My
Omawumi
name is
Adebi.
Omowumi
Adebi.
Adebi. Good.
Yes, sir.
What is
So,
your understanding of the word accounting?
relating it to real life events, I can say, accounting is the process of recording, analyzing up, and or maybe reporting financial transactions of an organization or of a business.
Reporting activity. Okay. At
Yeah,
least at your
yes,
level.
reporting
Let
activities.
me say this in class. Some of you
Okay,
that
sir.
are using your phone,
Good morning, sir.
you should be able to use your name so that when I see your name, I can
Sir,
call you. I can
Oh,
see name of sources now. Some are saying Zoom user, some are phones. Change the name of your phone to your name so that I'll
oh,
know the person I'm relating with. Please.
okay, sir.
I think that is
Okay,
very, very important.
okay,
That is
sir.
very, very important. So let me see some other people who are raising their hand. Look at this one, iPhone. What is iPhone? Use your name. Let's know the name of the person we are talking to. Okay. Coming. Hello. Yes. Me, myself. I'm in class already. Oh, okay. I will forward to you.
Okay.
I will send to you now. With it's okay. I will. Okay, we are in class already. There's no problem. I will send the link to you now. I will send to you now. It's okay, ma. It's okay, ma. No problem, ma. Well done, ma. Business education are supposed to offer this course too. So let me quickly send the link to them. Well, we are just starting. This is expected. After some time, everybody will be on the same page. I'm calling, please. So, class, as I was saying, what's the name of the lady that gave us the definition of accounting? And I said,
Omoumi, sir. Omoumi Adebi.
Good one. He has done well by Omoumi. So speak before we proceed. I can see Odusonya Zinab. Odusonya Zinab, unmute yourself and speak to the class.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
I'm listening. I'm listening to you speak.
Okay, from my own understanding, I can say accounting is the...
Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Zinab, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. I've unmuted myself, sir.
Okay, speak now.
I said from my own understanding. Hello, sir.
Continue. Yes, I'm listening to you.
Accounting is the process of recording, summarizing, and analyzing financial transaction of an organization.
Organization.
Yes, or a business.
Okay. So let's quickly go to. You have all tried, but I want to assure you. This course, this is the foundation of it. The moment you have a very good understanding of what you'll be doing in this course, and from now, I can assure you, you won't have any issue with it. So don't let anybody tell you that you failed this course. If you know what you are doing, you cannot fail. Accounting is very simple. It's very, very simple. It's a very simple course. And I want to believe that at the end of the day, we all smile. We all have reasons to smile. So, as we said last week, we're looking at I mentioned a particular name, which I said is the father of double entry as we know it today. Who can remind us of the name? I mentioned a particular name.
My name is Jamie Bolaji. I can recall you mentioned Luca Pacioli.
And that was, which year was that?
1494, I think.
Well, your thinking is right. And I think that is very, very germane because you will meet that thing. I can assure you, you will see it in your exam. I can assure you, you will see that in your exam. So, what we know as accounting today started by saying, okay, some people, they came together to give us what we know as accounting today. And as a reason of this, accounting do not just start like just one day. It's gone through a whole lot of process, development, and what have you. And from what we discussed last week, can you still see my slides? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Hello, class. You are
Yes,
seeing
Yes,
my
sir.
slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can see it.
So when we talk about the history and the development of accounting, a name, Luca Pacioli, in 1494 in Venice, Italy, wrote a book called Summa the Arithmetical Geometrical Proportion, Earth Proportionality, meaning arithmetic, geometric, and proportions. So that was the first documentary we have when we talk about accounting. So in the double entry, as the name suggests, double, that means whatever you are recording it twice. That is the meaning of double entry. Meaning you are recording it was twice. That is the meaning, double entry, as the name suggests. So that was how it started. And when you are buying from me, what do you give me when you buy from me? When you buy from me, and you just raise up your hand, and if you are just raising up your hand now, because I see so many hands, is it the one that we were raising before or the new one? So that I will know those who are interested in answering the
No
question.
one, sir.
Okay, drop your hand, everybody, so that if you want to answer my question, you raise up your hand.
Okay.
And I will recognize you. So I can see Emmanuel Fatade, your hand is up. Unmute yourself. Emmanuel Fatade.
Yes, sir. Good morning,
So,
sir.
when I sell to you, what will you give me in return?
Cash.
You will give me cash. Good. So when I'm recording, I will record cash as what? Because there is
As credit.
As credit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I know. You are coming from a belly school. You didn't even allow me to say it. You are jumping and you mixed it. Okay, let me say this. In accounting, take your pen and write this down. For the golden rule of double entry, one, we say debit the receiver and credit the giver. Write it down.
Come again, sir.
Debit the receiver and credit the giver.
Debit the receiver.
The receiver and credit the giver.
The giver.
The transaction between me and Fatade now. Fatade is doing what? Is giving me cash. I am the receiver. Fatade is the giver. So in that regard, you are going to debit me, who is the receiver, and credit who? Fatade, who is what? Who is the giver? Is that taking everybody?
Debit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Debit the receiver, credit who? The giver. So when we talk about double entry, that is all we mean. In every transaction, there's going to be two recording. That's why we say one debit, one credit. And we say for every, another rule is that for every debit entry, there must be a corresponding credit entry in another account.
For every
Let me say
debit.
it again.
Yes, sir.
Let me say it again. For every debit entry, there must be another credit entry in another account. I'm only explaining what I said. The transaction that happened between me and Fatade. Fatade gave me money, and the receiver, I will debit it. Fatade is I'm the receiver, I will debit it. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Fatade is the giver. You will do what? You will credit Fatade. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Class,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please hold that in your hands. It is very, very important. Throughout your accounting practice, you will be using that. Please get that straight. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. And I said for every debit entry in an account, there must be there must be another credit entry in a what? In another account. That is what we mean by what? Double entry bookkeeping. So let's move on. So we also talk about in 1683, the first book on bookkeeping was published in the United Kingdom. In 1796, an American, William Mitchell, published a complete system of bookkeeping. At least you now know what bookkeeping is now. And in 1900, bookkeeping was included in textbooks. Bookkeeping and accounts are taught in most universities and other institutions. So those are the developments. Those are the developments how we came about where we are today. So let's come to Nigeria now. Before we got independent, some Nigerians gone abroad to go and do what? To go and learn, to go and study. And some of them, they went to the profession of accounting. So they have been doing their own professional body, professional exam. So some of them thought that what they are doing overseas, they can also come to Nigeria to come and do what? To come and establish it. So in 1960, some Nigerians came home, and in 1965, they established the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, which we call ICANN today. So the ICANN Act of 1965 established ICANN, and that is why we have our own professional body today, which myself and so many other people are a member of what? Of ICANN. So that is the beginning of the accounting profession in Nigeria, whereby for you, what you are doing now, after school, you will become an accounting graduate. Not until when you are a member of this institute, Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, then you cannot be called an accountant. So when you have graduated from school as an accountant, you still need to do what? You still need to write ICANN for you to become a chartered accountant. That's the short story about how accounting came to Nigeria. So let's look at I've told you about bookkeeping and we've discussed accounting. So what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the art of recording business transactions in what? In monetary terms. So from the explanation we have mentioned about double entry, we're saying recording a transaction twice. But now, accounting started as what we know as what? Bookkeeping. And it's just what? Recording the activity of an organization. Bookkeeping, as the name suggests, you are keeping record. So the name of the person that keeps books is called what? It's called a bookkeeper. The person who does bookkeeping is called a what? A bookkeeper. So I've said this last week. Let me just see if somebody will get my mark this morning. What is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting? Anybody, if you know, raise your hand up. What is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting? Anybody, if you know, raise your hand up. Let me recognize you. And Albert Aslem.
Yeah, good morning,
Albert
sir.
Aslem.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Bookkeeping have to do only to record business transaction, while accounting, well, generally, both they summarize, analyze, and analyze both the terms of money and transaction, all the events that have to do with accounting. While bookkeeping is only to record business transaction.
Let me see another person. Can you make a try too? What's the name of the guy that spoke just now?
Albert.
After the class, get in touch with me. Let me get your details so as to give me your 1 mark. Okay. Pauline Okonkwo, are you there?
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Can I talk?
Good morning.
Sir, Bookkeeping is just one part of accounting, which entails just recording of the transactions that have been made in the business organization. While accounting generally includes reporting, analyzing, recording, and summarizing. So bookkeeping is just a part of accounting.
Yeah. So if you get it all in after class, let me document your homework. So as I have said, bookkeeping is just an aspect of what? Of accounting. We say accounting is the art of recording. That recording you have said that is what? Is bookkeeping. You can see it's just an aspect. We have said that bookkeeping is the art of recording. And we say accounting is the art of recording. You can see. So bookkeeping is just an aspect of what? Of accounting. So let's look at accounting now. Oh, okay. So accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner, and in terms of money, transaction, and events, which are in part at least of what? Financial character, and interpreting the results thereof according to, that's the definition of Institute of Certified Public Accountant. That is, they gave the word, the definition. You can see that bookkeeping is just an aspect of what? Recording. For you to be called an accountant, you should be able to do what? To do the work of a bookkeeper. Also to classify. We have what? Different aspects of accounting. And let me say this, take your pen and write this down. What are we'll talk about elements of accounting. Who can try? What are the elements of accounting? Element of a financial statement. Anybody who can try. If you get this, I'll give you 2 marks.
Sir, can I go ahead?
Of a financial statement. Chioma, is that you?
No.
Or who?
It's Atinuke.
Okay. Atinuke?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, speak. Tell us, what are the elements of a financial statement?
The elements of a financial statement.
Oh, yeah, now you said you wanted to try.
So I can try it.
No idea.
Excuse me, sir. Can
Okay,
I
Omolara.
try?
Can I give it a try, sir?
Sir, can I try, sir? Sir, can I try? Clement,
Yes, sir, can I try?
Can I try?
It's becoming rowdy. Let me just call somebody.
Yeah,
Sir, can I
Sir,
try?
can I try? Sir, can I try?
Hello, sir.
Listen to this. Hello.
Yeah,
Hello,
the
sir.
element of financial.
Your name.
Hello, sir.
Kamori Yusuf Tunde.
What is your name?
Kamori
My name
Yusuf
is
My name is
Tunde.
Katane Godwin, sir.
All of you mute yourself. If I didn't call you, please don't unmute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Me, I said mute yourself. You are still saying hello, sir. You understand? If I didn't call you, don't bother to call yourself. Eke Welu. Can you unmute yourself and speak?
Yes, sir.
Speak to me. What are the elements of a financial statement?
Let me try. Assets, liability, equity, expenses, and revenue.
Fantastic. That's a good one. After the class, call me. You have earned yourself 2 marks this morning.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Call me after the class or message me. Let me document it. So, when we talk about classifying, you are classifying what you have recorded into what? Into the element of financial, which is assets, liability, equity, income, and expenses. And I call these 5 elements what? I-E. Everybody, your pen, and write A-L-E-I-E. This guy that is saying uploading, I will ban you from my class. I told you to mute yourself. If you're not ready for class, don't join my class. Okay? You will push me to do what I love to do. Some of you will feel rest from this class.
Sir, please come again.
I've not come once. Why are you asking me to come again? Huh? Somebody that has come once that will come again. I have not come once. This person that is discussing uploading, you mute yourself or leave my class.
Please let the host how to mute.
If you guys will not discipline yourself, I will end this class and that will be the end. Hello? Hello?
Hello,
Please,
sir.
you called me.
Yeah, we see, sir.
They should be able to join. Let them continue to try. But you have joined. It will take them, join, it will take you to YouTube. I've told you. It's not taking you to YouTube. But some are links. Some are, I can see some people already on YouTube. Some people are already. Okay, let me check. Yeah. But this I can see it now. The YouTube is on. YouTube is on. So if you are not able to join, I don't know. This year one, you are giving me a whole lot of stress. Hello, class. Can you still see my slide?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can, sir.
Hello, class.
So, well, yeah.
Where we see,
Yeah,
sir.
we
Where
can see.
yeah, we can. Like, sir.
It's
Some
you,
are
sir.
saying they cannot, and it's showing me that the YouTube is on. Hello, if you are on YouTube, can you? They will not be able to communicate. They will only be able to listen. So, we'll address that later. Let me just continue. So please, discipline yourself. Don't get me angry, please. I don't like to do otherwise, but don't push me to do what I don't like to do. So, as I was saying, yeah. So we are talking about account, and I
Who is this
one
now?
Cover Facebook.
Madam, I beg off your screen. We are in class.
Can
Can you not respect yourself?
Abelo.
What you are doing in class?
Admin no do nothing. When I like Mark too much.
Hello, class.
Hello, sir.
Hello, class.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Me now.